Hi, how are you everyone? This is Ali with EA Home Design. We are here in Leesburg, Virginia with the beautiful kitchen that we've done recently. Okay, this kitchen was a little bit different and the island was two-tier island, a little bit smaller. Okay, the design wise is very different, but if you want to check the appliances, approximately very similar to the before, but a little bit changes. I'm gonna explain it to you. The refrigerator was on this side. We didn't have the pantry. We moved the refrigerator a little bit. We put the microwave instead of the oven and microwave. We changed the cooktop and oven to the 36-inch range with the oven under it. In the island, we have the trash can and dishwasher, and here we had the cabinet for the showcase and for wines too. Adding floating shelf, very nice hood, wood hood on top that it hidden the motor and the rest of the thing, the cabinet going all the way to the ceiling with the uplift doors. Okay, and the pantry has 4 roll-out trays, has an outlet inside that they can make a coffee. They can bring it out, make the coffee and push it back. I'm gonna add some before picture to it and you can see it better. Thank you so much and have a good one. Bye.